Welcome to Forest's short video on how to install log roll edging. For this project, you'll only need one person and it should take you around an hour to complete. You'll also need the following tools: a small trowel or spade, metal or wooden fixing pegs, a rubber mallet, a lump hammer and wood screws or galvanized nails. Dig a shallow trench along the line of where your edging is to be installed. The depth will depend on the height of your edging and how much of it you want to appear above the ground. Check the depth is even all the way along the trench using a marked stake. Using a rubber mallet, hammer the fixing pegs into the ground. They should be about 30 mm away from the edge of your border. The final height of the peg should be a bit lower than the finished height of your edging. As a rule of thumb, you will need 3 pegs for every 1.8 metre length of edging. Put a length of the log roll in the trench with the flat side butting up to the fixing pegs. Using a rubber mallet, gently hammer the edging into the soil to the required depth. Fix the edging to the stakes, carefully levelling it off with a piece of timber. If you're using metal pegs, fix with galvanised nails from the back. If you're using wooden pegs, fix with 2 wood screws from the front. Finally, backfill with any soil.